Hello there, my friends. So I bought this HONJIN Chinese lightsaber off of Amazon, and I got it on Amazon Prime, got it in 2 days, but check this out.
Low power.
So it did have a charge when it came. I did a video on the 12 different fonts, and now it's saying low power. So you know, there's no way to tell, like other more advanced sabers will let you know how many volts are left in the Saber hilt in the battery, and how, or they'll give you a graphical representation on the blade of how well charged they are. This one does not. It's under $100. The electronics aren't that sophisticated, but it does at least tell you
Low power.
low power. So now it's time to plug this thing in and charge it up. So I just thought I'd let you know that that option is on this Saber. Have a great day. If this helped you, please help me, and let me know what you're thinking. Give me a comment. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.